Greetings. My name is Reverend Dr. Q English, and I serve as a director for the Center for Faith-Based and Neighborhood Partnerships at the United States Department of Health and Human Services in Washington, D.C. And I'm coming to you with an urgent, time-sensitive matter. You may be one of the millions of individuals, families, and children who gained health care insurance coverage during the COVID-19 pandemic through Medicaid or the Children's Health Insurance Program, otherwise known as CHIP. And that was because during the pandemic, there was a requirement that Medicaid programs keep people continuously enrolled until the end of the COVID-19 public health emergency. It has now ended. Our concern is that millions of people like you could lose the coverage you've gained now that states are returning to normal operations and are rechecking your eligibility for these programs again. If your state finds that your household income is now too high or other changes, like you've moved and they don't have your current address, you may become ineligible and lose your Medicaid or CHIP coverage. Thankfully, there are a few simple steps you can take to prevent risking a gap in yours or your child's Medicaid or CHIP coverage. 1, you can update your contact information with your state's Medicaid office or CHIP program. Next, you need to respond immediately to the Medicaid or CHIP coverage renewal form letter when it arrives in your mailbox. And if you are a parent, please make sure to apply for coverage, even if you don't think you are eligible, because your kids might qualify, even if you don't. Whether or not you are eligible for Medicaid varies from state to state. And the good news is that many states have expanded their Medicaid programs to cover more low-income adults. So to reapply, visit Medicaid.gov to find your state's office or telephone number for next steps. If you are unsure if you might qualify for Medicaid, you should apply. So please refer to the QR code or link on the screen below. And lastly, consider other coverage options. If you are no longer eligible for Medicaid or CHIP, you may be able to get alternate coverage through the Affordable Healthcare Marketplace at healthcare.gov. So please take these actions today to ensure your access to healthcare coverage and healthier outcomes for you and your family. For more information and assistance, feel free to email us at partnerships@hhs.gov or call us at 202-260-6501.